There's fast, and then there's trying to bend physics. The Hennessey Venom F5 was never built to compete. It was built to erase limits, silence records, and chase a number most cars aren't brave enough to whisper: 300 miles per hour. At its core sits a weapon, not an engine. A 6.6-liter twin-turbo V8, known as Fury. Over 1,800 horsepower. Torque that arrives like an explosion. No hybrid assistance. No electric safety net. Just pure combustion chaos sent straight to the rear wheels. This is old-school brutality refined with modern engineering. The numbers are unreal. 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. 0 to 200 happens faster than most supercars reach highway speed. And when the throttle stays pinned, the Venom F5 doesn't surge. It detonates forward, pulling harder the faster it goes. But raw power alone doesn't reach 300. That's where science takes over. The carbon fiber monocoque weighs less than most city cars. Active aerodynamics reshape airflow at speed. Downforce is carefully balanced to keep the car stable without creating drag. Every curve, vent, and surface exists for one reason: velocity. Inside, there's no luxury distraction. The cockpit is focused, minimal, and aggressive. Exposed carbon. Race-inspired controls. A digital dash that feels more like mission control than a speedometer. This is a driver's machine built for commitment, not comfort. What makes the Venom F5 terrifying isn't just speed, it's intention. There's no Nürburgring lap obsession, no lifestyle branding. This car has a singular goal: redefine what's possible with internal combustion before the world moves on. Even the name carries meaning. F5, the strongest tornado on Earth. Winds exceeding 300 miles per hour. That's not branding flair, that's a promise. And while debates rage about records, verification, and limits, one thing is undeniable. The Venom F5 represents the final, unapologetic peak of gasoline-powered insanity. A car built in defiance of restraint, regulation, and reason. So when the future goes silent and electric takes over the streets, machines like this will be remembered as thunder. Brief, violent, and unforgettable.